Transform your meals with this incredible pork leg recipe. We've already placed the pork leg in a dish, and now let's add 200 milliliters of orange juice. Add 3 chopped garlic cloves, a tablespoon of soy sauce, half a squeezed lemon, and season to taste with salt, black pepper, and rosemary. The pork leg we're using weighs 1.5 kilograms. Spread the seasonings well over the pork leg. Then, flip the meat and add the same seasonings on the other side, spreading them evenly. Cover with plastic wrap and let it marinate for 30 minutes. In a pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Then, add 2 onions sliced into rounds, and 3 tomatoes cut. At this point, add the pork leg, pour the remaining seasoning, and let it cook on low heat for 40 minutes. After this time, open the lid, remove the pork leg, add 4 potatoes cut into the pot, and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Now, add 200 grams of onions, removing only the outer layers, and let it cook for a few more minutes. Then, add the cooked mixture to the pork leg. Hey, which city are you watching us from? Comment below. Now, bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Then, just enjoy. This recipe is great to add a special touch to the menu on the weekend, for example. The meat becomes extremely tender and succulent. We appreciate your company. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel. It was a pleasure, and until next time.